In this video, we're going to be going over how to create Instagram story highlights. Now, Instagram story highlights are the little circles you see under someone's description of their profile. Right now, there's none on this account. I deleted them so you guys can see when I add them. So if you want to create those little highlights where it saves the stories, you can click and see old archived stories from your profile. All you have to do is go over to your profile. So we click the bottom right and make sure we're on our profile. And then from there, we're going to click the plus sign in the top right of the app. So I'm going to click that plus sign. And you're going to see the fourth option down is to create a story highlight. Again, these just save your stories and you can make them into different categories up here so people can go through them and view them. So from here, we're going to click story highlight. And we have a couple different stories from here that we could click and add into a highlight, or we could add multiple. For example, if we're doing customer testimonies or reviews, or if we want to do an about our business, things like that. So I could select a couple here. So let's just say I want to select the first three. I would click next, and then I can edit this cover photo here. I can choose a different one, whichever one I wanted to add here. Let's just say that's fine. I can change the title. So I'm just going to say reviews if I wanted to, and I'm going to click add here. And you'll see it will now add this as a highlight reel in the top, and I can create multiple of these just pressing that plus sign now. Or if I want to edit these, all I have to do is hold the button. So I'm holding down on that image, that highlight, and I have the option to edit it. I can delete it as well. So for this one, I'm just going to delete it. And that's how you can create these story highlights.